Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my DIY sweet orange body and hair butter, so stay tuned.
Bring back dignity. Time and time again I relapse, but love has never left me. Perhaps I should have found a way to pay it back. But if I get what you take, only take enough to swallow the pain. Drown the pain until it all washes away. Me back at the start. Time and time again I relapse, but your love is always waiting. Perhaps I can't save myself, so I fade to black. But if I get what you take, only take enough to swallow the pain. Drown the pain until it all washes away. Turns to shade from the night to the day. Living for weekends, wishing I could take break from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. taking back the pieces of my mind. I know how to run from the dark and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate into the clouds. I'm so high above the ground. I'm rising. I'm soaring above it. It all. I just wanna be free. Finally, I wanna be free. I wanna be free. I wanna be free. I had to burn you. I'm rising. I'm soaring above it. It all. I just wanna be free. I wanna be free. I wanna be free. I wanna be free. Broken future. All the plans you made in your heart grew just to die. And now you're damaged goods, damaged should have never been. Thought you were bulletproof. Look at you, what happened? Did she hurt you? Are you okay, baby? Everyone gets hurt. That's how we learn to make love work. It's part of life. But if you need a lullaby, baby, don't cry no more. Just let her walk out your door. Baby, don't cry no more.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know it's a slightly different vibe from what I normally post, so let me know what you think about it. Also, if you make this butter, let me know how it works for you. If you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you never miss another video from me, and I will see you guys in the next video.